Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Jirani Rahman Adib from 11 2. So today I will tell you a story about moral dilemma, which is telling the truth or protecting your friend. So let's begin. Imagine one day you just accidentally saw your friend cheating during the exam. Soon after, your teacher just investigating who is cheating on the exam. Yes, this is the hard situation or choice because you can tell the teacher if your friend just cheating on the exam, or you can stay silent to protect your friend from the trouble. Nah, I have three options for this situation. First, we can tell the teacher if your friend is cheating. Yes, it hurt, honest and fair, but it also can hurt the friendship. And the second, we can stay silent. Yes, it can protecting your friendship, and it's also it give a chance to your friend to do the cheating on the next exam. And in the third option is talk to your friend first. In this option, you should talk to your friend first. It can protect the friendship. Also, it give a chance to your friend to do the right thing. So, from these three options, I choose second because I really care about the friendship. Nah, just kidding. So, I prefer to choose less option or third option, which is talk the friend first. Why? Because I really care about the friendship and honest. So, in this situation, it shows the loyalty and honest can come together. So, that's it from me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.